Welcome, in today's tutorial I will show you how to throw two smokes that allow you to go from the outside to the secret without spotting. So at first go to this track, stack yourself in here, then aim between these two windows in this position. Then as you can see this second notch here, I'm on the middle to this notch and the red box, then use a jump throw. These two smokes allow you to go from the red box to the secret without spotting, so it's very useful. Remember that going close to the smokes are the best way to get into the secret, because if you're gonna get a little bit far from the smokes, you can get spotted from the heaven. So remember that. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!